Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. So you want to build a website. I've got two options for you. The first one I'm going to show you is the new Cheetah builder. As you can see, you can have videos on your capture pages and it's drag and drop. So the big rectangle at the back is called a panel. So you can have a blank panel. There's animated video panel, which is the one I've got. You can have different ones, but you have to remember to switch the video on, otherwise it's just a picture. So if you return, you can have a 3-step thank you page. You can have a blank panel, a first fold. These are all done for you. So all you do is you just drag and drop it. And it goes underneath. Okay. If you'd like to add an element, for instance, if you want to do a text, you grab it and swish it across and you click on it. This is where the computer freezes. And then you can edit it. So if you go Diane, highlight it, you can change the colour to yellow. You can underline it and you can make it italics. Pretty, eh? So if you can hide it if you don't want it, and then if you want it back, you just press the I there. So if I press that one and then I want it back, look, text there. So you just press that one and it, well, you get the gist. It will come back if you want it, but I don't want it, so I'm going to leave that. Right. Okay. If that little box disappears, you just click that. So if you want another element, for instance, a video, let's look for a video. You can put blogs on here. You can put the email catch page. You can put an image. I'm just going to look for the video. So click on video, drag it across. Click the element. And then you're looking for the crayon to edit it. You go in settings, change the video. Gosh, it's so easy. Anyway, let's do you an image as well. Yes. Right. Add an element. So any element is on top of the panel. That's all you need to remember. If you want to put a picture on, image. There we go. Image. So you drag and drop. Let's put it there. Click on it. Edit. Scroll up a tiny little bit. Whoops. Change image. You can upload them from your computer, or if you've already got some in here, you can choose one of these. So if you want to select a file from your computer and upload it, that's what you do. And then you just click on one here There's quite a few in there. But as you can see, it's really slow because I'm on Zoom. Don't you just love computers? It's actually frozen. But you get the idea. It's because I'm on Zoom. Ah, here we go. So let's try that one. The oranges. So you save that one. And lo and behold, it's here. You can whiz it round. You can make it smaller. You can make it bigger. It's good fun, actually. You just have a play. So that's so you can save and publish. That's what it looks like in the actual basic version. But if you'd like a WordPress site, and if you'd like a shop, for example, instead of just doing the panels, there are some already made. So if you want, you find the theme in WordPress that you want, and then I did a mock-up one for a poet. So this is just Latin, because I didn't edit all of it. You can have a newsletter at the bottom, but you can have a shop. So if you've got, I don't know, you could put books, makeup, even cakes, recipes, anything you want. So if you scroll up, look, these are already in. And so if you want to just click on that one, you can change the image. You can put how many's in stock, and you just put the category in. The checkout is already in there. So if you want to add it to basket, there's no coding or anything. This is already inside the shop. So if I wanted to add that to basket, view basket, and then you just pay as normal. You can actually have a coupon code, proceed to checkout, and it just goes to checkout really, really easily. So this is a WordPress theme for a shop. The difference between them, the Cheetah Builder is slightly quicker to upload. Oh, here we go. There you go. Let's go back here. I wanted to go into this one. I just wanted to show you the books as well. So you can have a books. And again, all these little boxes and pictures are already in there. So all you have to do is change the picture, change the price, category 1, category 2. You can have different subjects for your shop and the newsletter at the bottom. Also, while I'm here, I mean, I've done one here. Which one's the best one to show you? Affiliate marketing for dummies. This is also done on a WordPress website. But you can have different pages, you can have different funnels. So here's one I made earlier. Also, inside Builderall, there are a plethora of tools that you can also use. You can do emails, you can do capture pages, you can do auto poster for Facebook and Instagram. You can go live on Facebook, you can do webinars, you can have your own e-learning website. But I wanted to show you this one today. Let's go into Eric, the lovely Eric. He is the founder of Builderall, and they're adding to these tools and getting more ideas and adding more tools in. They're going to add a calendar in. So if you want to send a calendar out, come and meet me at such and such time. They're going to add that in soon. Right. You can change any of these, but this is so cool. You can put your own pictures in, you can put your own words in, and it's not that hard to know. So I just thought I'd show you one of the tools, but there are loads. Where are the tools? Here they are. There's a video, you can do lots of things with videos. You can put a floating video, which is you on the screen, and it pretends you're inside the computer. Webinars, e-learning, there is so much in here that it's amazing. So I just wanted to show you that. If you want the $1 trial to get all the tools, click the link below. There's an actual Funnel Builder challenge at the moment, which includes 30 days training, lots of free gifts, and it's going to go viral. Remember the $1 million challenge with Liam James Kay? This one's, sorry Liam, might even be better. See you on the next video, guys. Bye. End.